In the heart of a bustling city where flavors collide and creativity knows no bounds, the Epic Sandwich Chronicles begin. From humble beginnings, a slice of bread, a dash of spread, each layer tells a story. Crispy lettuce, juicy tomatoes, sizzling bacon, and creamy cheese unite in a symphony of taste. Every bite is a journey, a celebration of cultures and culinary dreams. This is not just a sandwich, it's a legend crafted between two slices of bread. The Epic Sandwich Chronicles. Today we embark on a quest, not for riches or fame, but for something far greater. Today we craft the Epic Sandwich. Every hero needs a strong foundation. Behold, artisan sourdough, golden brown, and toasted to perfection. Now let us summon our first ally, gooey Gouda, noble protector of flavor. Melt it gently so it flows like molten gold. Next comes the heart of our tale, the mighty pulled pork, slow-cooked in smoky barbecue sauce. This is no mere meat. This is legendary. But every hero needs companions. Enter caramelized onions, crisp arugula, and sweet roasted peppers. Together they form a symphony of taste. Quick montage of each ingredient being added with flair, a sprinkle of salt here, a drizzle of balsamic glaze there. And now the final act, the crowning glory. A dollop of sriracha mayo, because even legends need a little spice. Behold, the Epic Sandwich, a masterpiece born from fire, flavor, and fearless imagination. Take a bite and taste victory. The taste worth every second. Like and subscribe for more epic story like this.